Hello and Sawadee Krap, my name is Robin and today I'm going to talk to you about how to follow up on acting roles without annoying the casting directors. Yeah, you don't want to do that. So before we save your inbox reputation, hit the subscribe button for weekly booking tactics and audition packaging tips. So now we get ready. Following up isn't begging, it's professional memory. I heard you, I'm reliable, I close loops. Done wrong, it says, mute this person. So let's do it right. Timing, no timeline. 1 week after the audition. Timeline, on it like a sacred prop. Callback chemistry, 2 business days after the final round. Pinned, available, wait unless they pass the date. Then one gentle nudge. What to send? Short, warm, specific. Hi, I'm Robin. Thank you for seeing me for the role, the project. On that day, I loved exploring the grateful for your time and I'm looking forward to future chances to work together. Warmly, Robin Schroeter. No attachments unless requested. So that's it, that's the email. What not to send? Just equally as important. Did I get it? If yes, they'll tell you. No mass BCCs, no mass BCCs, no novels, receipts. After the sermon, I send a thank you note about the button. Clean, coachable, and done. After Don't Go Home, where I played the German engineer, I honored the timeline. When they went a week past, I sent a single line check-in. Result, the relationship stayed warm. Inbox stayed friendly. Subject lines that work. Thank you. Appreciation, your name. Grateful, date and session. Short is respectful. Signal coachability without fishing. Your note about tightening the ending helped. I tried it that night. Now it sings. Track beats guessing. Tiny spreadsheet, date, project role, office status, follow-up date, outcome note. That's important. That's what you need to note down. Patterns appear. Where you're hot, where you're almost, and where you need reps. Tone check. If your email reads, please rescue me, rewrite it until I'm a collaborator. Gratitude up front, specify in the middle, exit quickly. Bangkok footnote. Politeness is power. Warmth travels farther than volume. Clarity is kindness. Make it easy to reply. Yes, no, soon. You're not asking for charity. You're reminding a busy person that you're easy to hire. Follow up is staying in the room after you left the room. Drop your favorite one-line sign off below. I'll sharpen it to the casting with a friendly sparkle. Need templates, reels, and packaging rehearsals? The intensive acting course has a full industry week follow-up slates and reels. Building from scratch, start with the fundamentals of acting. Swipe ready scripts are in my ebook. Want me to review your email before you send it? Book a free 30-minute consultation in the link below. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful week and I'll see you next week with why you should join our intensive acting course. Bye-bye.